symbols or the stamps. And the stamps is made of calabash. You know calabash? Yes, calabash is a god. In the olden days, you can't get a calabash to do a Adinkra stamp. They use yam or cassava because that one is soft. And this is good. And this one is not easy to break. That's how they use this calabash to stamp. And when you see the strong tree, this is bamboo, the bamboo tree. Because when the dye is hot, you can't hold it like that. That's why they do this handle on the top here. So you hold the top here and use it. And the symbols, each one have meaning. Some are old, some are new. Something like this one. This symbol came first before the rest came. They call it Adinkra. That is the king of Adinkra. This symbol is a chief, the king of Adinkra. Adinkra. Offer. Ubukuna Chatana. Mame. And this one they call it go back to your roots. Sankofa. The Sankofa, yeah, they have 3 types of Sankofa. They have this one, and this is old Sankofa, the bad one. And they also have another one, the short one. You don't have some, I'll show you some, another one here. Normally, this is the two. This is old and this is new. You go back to your roots. You take the cloth and other process. So how can be there now? Nenka, Ntonso.
There is all that is saying is a chart here, and there is a book as well. If you can't get it here, when you go to the other side, you'll be able to get it. So this will be passed around. Just look at it, read what is underneath, and then see what is something that you like that touches you so much. And then you can show him. You pick a symbol. You go there, you pick any type of club, and then they will help you to do your own stamping. So this will go down. Now, if you want a kente, as a best spread or whatever, please there's a room here, just go in there. There are a lot of them there. That belongs to my brother, and then his prices are very modest.
Yeah. We use your billboard when you come there at 20 Western Chapel Road. Put this one.
That's right, yes. This is a cultural cloth.
Yeah, this is the language of the Adinkra.
Many colors, many variations. You gotta come here, family. Come here and join the shop program.
Sankofa, Akoma, Sankofa, Akoma, Ginyami.
Okay, can you tell me about that Ginyami?
Yeah, it means this symbol is like this is the beginning of the language. This is the first of the 60 that I know of the language. 60 in 1985. This Ginyami, G-Y-E. Yami is God. Okay, N, capital N, Y-A-M-E. Yami. God first. God is omnipotent, omniscient, and omnipresent. I fear none. Except God. Except God. That's what they say. This is except God. I have no fear except God. God is all powerful, all knowing, and everywhere evenly present all the time. There's no spot where God is not. This is the symbol. Everything begins there. In the language of the Ashanti, the Adinkra symbols of Ghana, West Africa. And like the brother said, this is the place. Very powerful language because it's not oral communication.
Okay, so
it's symbolic communication. And when you know it, you don't have to open your mouth and talk. You know the symbols. You've been taught them since the beginning. And there's 60 different ones. And if you like more information on the language of the Adinkra symbols, when I got it in 1985, someone brought it back from the university here in Ghana, and they told me to put something back. So as a calligrapher and a scribe and an artist, I drew the logos of just 6 of them. And the 60 of them, 6 I published, but the 60 of them I did.
So can you tell me again? I'm sorry, I want to catch it.
Yeah,
I don't want to
tell you the different ones that I know.
No, the one on your hand again.
Okay, I'll be glad to. It's in